Hi everybody, Candace here with Greenery Farms DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to put pockets on a double-sided apron after it's already been made. So these are my aprons. They're generous size, proudly made by me right here in the USA, and they're all made with 100% cotton material. I pre-wash my cotton before I start to work with it. This part right here is the part that I cut out of what would be the armpit area. And after I constructed all of these aprons, I don't like pockets because I feel things get stuck down in the pockets, but I had a couple special requests from some people at some of the festivals I go to put a pocket on it. And so I'm going to go ahead and put a pocket right up here, and that's going to have a little snap, a cam snap closure when it's all done. So the first thing I do is I figure out what size I want my pocket to be. And I'm going to go ahead and make them about 6 inches by 6 inches. It's just going to be a little pocket right up there. And I go over to my iron and I fold it under and fold it under and then iron, and then I top stitch. And now I'm going to take it over to my embroidery machine and I'm going to embroider on these pockets on both sides at one time. Alright, I'm at the machine right now and I have the design loaded up. And I went ahead and put I'm using a Pellin Craft Fuse because it's a real strong stabilizer, and I'm going to cut it out and just patch the hole and continue to make these without even having to take this stabilizer out once I'm done with this first one. So I have a sturdy one in there. I'm going to be using a tearaway after this. I'm using my Magna Quilt cotton bobbins, and I think I'm going to use probably this blue right up here. So this is an assortment of 25 different colors. So I'm going to use the Hawaiian blue on it. And that's because the bottom side of the embroidery you're going to see because it's on the other side of this reversible apron. So I'm going to go ahead and load this down in my bobbin case, and then we're going to get to stitching. So I folded over my hoop, or turned over my hoop, and you can see on the back side of that stabilizer the guidelines that's going to let me know where this applique is going to stitch out. I went ahead and then taped down gently my pieces, so it's going to run a 3/4 box around here, and then I'm going to applique trim it, and then I'm going to let the satin stitch out. Once you have it securely taped to the back side, then you're going to put it back the right side up for your hoop, and you'll see that my guidelines are right here. Just going to go ahead and make sure that it's covered, and I'm actually going to line up my patterns right here so then it just looks a little bit more eye appealing. And now I'm going to go ahead and let the tack down occur, and so this is where it's going to actually tack down my stitches. Alright, now you want to go ahead and applique trim off all that line, because where those lines are is where the satin stitch is going to stitch out. Alright, so I went ahead and trimmed that side. We're going to flip it back over to the right side, and I'm going to go ahead and put it under, or put it in the arms of the machine. And we're going to let the satin stitch out. So you can see that there's all the excess fabric has been trimmed off. Now the satin stitch is going to go ahead and stitch down. Alright, now we're done. So that applique box stitched out beautifully on the back and on the front. Now I have a cute little pocket right here on the front side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim very close on the stabilizer and then just patch the hole, do another one, and repeat. So thank you for watching today. And what I used were the Green Roof Farms Filtech cotton bobbins. These are by Filtech. They're the Magna cotton, or Magna quilt. They have those cute little magnets on them that allow it in the multi-needles to glide nicely in the bobbin case. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you if you have an apron that doesn't have a pocket, how to put a pocket on your apron.